boy Aces. The Aces on the go. Fill in for what's going down. This is the results so far. Everything's okay, guys. You can see there's no flooding. The streets are visible. Everything's okay. For some reason, we were so lucky. It's like this whole block was in a bubble and nothing flooded. Nobody's houses got flooded. The streets, you could drive on the streets. You can see there's a truck driving up the block. I think we did good, guys. Thanks to y'all blessings. This block did okay. We okay. I want everybody to know we okay. I would have took a flight for my Bugs 3, but it's too windy right now for that. And the rain's still coming down, guys. But I'm just doing this quick video so y'all can know we okay. And the Smith family is doing alright. Only thing that happened to us, guys, is our backyard. It's a little bit of flooding, which I'm going to show y'all in a few minutes. So I'm showing you the front, the main road, that everything's okay. I'm sorry for the other places. They was lucky like us. I mean, they got flooded out. If you check on YouTube, there's a lot of videos showing all the highways, streets, stores. Everyone is flooded. It's bad, guys. We just, for some reason, we was in a lucky bubble, and I'm happy for that. There are people doing looting already. They already looted the liquor store. I don't know why they would do some bullshit like that. Why would we want to mess up your own environment where you live at? Yeah, they looted the liquor store. We have a bank called Wells Fargo. They broke into that too. Yep. There were reports of people trying to help people that's in the flooded zones, and as they helping them, they're robbing them. You know how people get sometimes, which is stupid, but they shouldn't do that, especially not at a time like this. So I'm gonna take y'all towards the back. Okay, this is my backyard. As you see the step right here to go in the backyard, look, that's still flooded. It's just the backyard. Only this piece right here, this water. And you can see other people's yards. It's like, it's okay. We were safe in the bubble, guys. I'll let y'all see. So it wasn't too much damage done here. Thanks to y'all, with y'all praise y'all gave us. This I got for y'all for now. Hopefully if it's not raining and it's not windy, I could do a Bugs 3 flight so you get an air bird view of what's going down. Okay, this is what I got for y'all for now. Talk to y'all later. This is your boy Aces for Aces on the Go. And just because I'm in a crisis like this, I'm still going to keep a good vibe. So all the people around the world, I want y'all to have a great morning, a good afternoon, and a lovely night. Peace. This is your boy Aces for Aces on the Go. And you don't gotta like this because this is a crisis moment right now. And you don't even have to subscribe because it's a crisis moment right now. I just want to put this out there to the YouTube family and the rest of my family to know that we're doing good and we okay. So I'll talk to y'all later and I'll see y'all in the next video.